Looking at this dripless shaft seal on this boat, a trawler, full displacement trawler, you can see the bellows to the right are pinched or squeezed down as tight as possible. The spring is compressed as much as it can be. On the left, you see that big stainless steel collar screwed onto the propeller shaft. That has been pushed back, compressing the spring bellows. So I believe this entire dripless shaft seal package needs to be removed and replaced in total. There's no more space to tighten it up to stop it from dripping. You can see on the left-hand side of the shaft where it's scored and scratched up, where that big stainless steel collar used to be, maybe as much as 1.5 inches to my left. As time went on and it began to wear and leak, it got pushed back further and further and further, compressing that bellows. So I think this shaft seal has lived a useful life, and it's time to be replaced, upgraded, and fixed. Also, depending upon how scored that shaft is, with the new system, the shaft may have to be removed and dressed or faced in a machine shop, at a propeller shop, have that cleaned up. So if you want to know more about dripless shaft seals or the traditional type that are supposed to drip, join us in our do-it-yourself yacht maintenance class. Just ask Captain Chris for more information.